If you are doing any aparadh to Guru, what Guru will do? What? He is very merciful. But Krishna is not so. Guru may forgiveness. It may be. But Krishna will what? Crush him in pieces. You know, as blade of grass, and you serving him like Krishna. If you are serving a blade of grass, that is my worshipable Krishna. Will he have any fruit or not? Huh? Will he have not? Grass will give him, or who will give? But he is serving grass. See, that fruit comes from Krishna. But he is worshipping blade of grass. So you should know, if your Guru is not so high standard, so not Siddha, but he is sincere, but he must be in Madhyam Adhikar, Madhyam or Uttam, best Uttam. He must be. Knowing all Shastra. And also, by Shastra Praman and by his Yukti,
by logic and evidence,
he can remove all your doubts. If he cannot do, he is not good. So, if you are doing something wrong in his lotus feet, then he may be merciful, but Krishna will punish you. So we should be very careful for this. And that is why he is telling. Ishat petasya viparjaya smriti. He is standing on the middle line of that
Maya, one side Maya, another side Chit Jagat.
Chit Jagat and Achit Jagat. And by chance, it's very lovely this Maya. Oh, they are enjoying very beautiful ladies, husbands, children, mama, mummy. Oh, very beautiful. I should. And attracted, came and at once Maya was guarding there. But jivas were not seeing him and took him. So, in this world. And settle and cross bodies. At once what became? Oh, in this body, which is the bag of his stool, urine, so many.
Was
That I am this body. And what became? My, mera.
me and mine.
Me and mine. He tangled. And this is Ninanbe ka pher. What Ninanbe ka pher?
Never satisfying tendency.
If you will enter, no way to come out. Forever you will. No way. Way, but you cannot find yourself. So, Ishat api tasya viparjyo smriti. When you looked upon Maya and you left Krishna by your free will, dependence, then viparjyo smriti. Dehatma Abhiman came. Dehatabhiman?
Bodily conception of life.
Huh?
Bodily conception comes.
Dehatmabhiman came. Viparjo Smriti. I am Nitya Das of Krishna. I can serve Krishna with love and affection as anyone in Braja also, in Vaikuntha also, like gopis. I can serve. But shadow of this, here we began to learn beautiful form of Maya. After long time, any person, Bhagavat in his
Armpit.
Tila, Mundit Mastakam, Tila, he can. What you are doing, my brother, my sisters? Well, misguided, derailed by that path. Come with me. I will show you path. How can you be happy? So, tan mayato buddha abhajet tan bhaktaik jeshang guru devatatma. And then it tells, be in sadhu sangha. Sadhu sangha, sarva sadhu. Law mat sadhu sangha sarva siddhi hai. Even they can change you in a moment. They can change. And you can be happy. Jayatma,
Samprasidati.
if anyone doing chanting, remembering really, and he is not happy, I cannot believe. Cannot believe. If anyone chanting sincerely, he may be Kanishta Adhikari no harm, but he is really chanting, waiting for Krishna. He may be entangled in so many unearths, like Ajamil and others. Billo Mangal, very lusty, you know, so many, thousands and lakhs. Then, they will show you path. They will advise. I know a guru. By his help, I am very happy. So, come along me. I will show you guru. He is like Path Pradarshak Guru. And in the meantime, Krishna became merciful. He became Chaitya Guru. Oh, you should follow this. And both together went to a real Guru. He accepted him. And then he began to do bhajan. Gradually unearth going. So, Bhaktai ke jeshang Guru Devata. So he accepted Guru. Guru showed him that path. And then he began to do bhajan of that Krishna. Ekasyaiva mamansasya jivasyaiva mahamate baddho asya avidyamano api avidya cha tathetara. Krishna is telling to Uddhav in Ekadashi Skanda. Aim and object is written in 10th canto, especially. Gyan Vairagya Shiksha, especially Vairagya, from 1 to 9. And then 10th canto is process. So, in this Abhidheya Tattva, Sadhan Tattva, he had taken all the examples from Ekadashi Skanda. Bhagavan told to Uddhav, When he told, when all the dynasty of Yadavas quarreling among them, and they went to Golok Vaikuntha Dham in any way, and Krishna was sitting under a tree, peepal tree, keeping his feet on this feet like this, and one down, and he was thinking something. In the meantime, a bear hunter. He thought that any mriga, his tongue is there, and he shoot it. Before this, Uddhav came there. Krishna wanted to go, and that time Krishna mercifully told him, from 6 to 29 chapters, only the process. In this is this. Uddhav, hey Mahamati, very much intelligent. Very much. Who is intelligent actually? Krishna Bhakta. If any sincere Krishna Bhakta, he is intelligent. Because he had chosen the path of bhakti. This is the reality. And it may be so many intelligent person in world. Oh, Yuktarashtra, the President of America, Russia and others, they think we are most intelligent. But not really. Not intelligent. Though you should know that in this world or any world, Jiva is by part and parcel. So, Anadi Vidya. When Jiva was taken to this world, Anadi Kal.
Time being unlimited.
So, Anadi Avidya. By Anadi Kal, by Anadi Avidya. No Adi.
No beginning, no origin, no beginning.
No origin.